Hello, again after the base setting, we will learn how to set each of the functionalities of employee settings of human resource management of management. So first of all, we will create employee. So here you can see all the lists of employees that I have created before. So now I will show you how to create an employee, and here we go. So first of all, we will click on the create employee button, and now we will see this form, of course, to create employee. And now I will write a name. So first of all, I have to write the employee's name, and it was Mr. William Clinton. Okay, so Mr. William Clinton, here is the date of birth. So we will click on the calendar icon here. Now we will click here to choose the year of birth. So for an example, we'll choose 1980. Now if we click on this row, we can go forward on the months. So we can select, for an example, April 6. Okay, so now the gender, so here's a male, of course. Now phone number, I am giving a demo of phone number. You can enter the exact phone number here. Now the email address, so here I have given an example of email account. It's basically a Gmail ID. So now I will select the country. So suppose I am selecting New York. So okay, first of all we have to select the country, so it will be the United States, I guess. Yeah, okay, so I have selected United States. Now the state name, so I can guys, like, okay, so I'm selecting New York here. Now the city of New York I have to select. Okay, so I'm also selecting New York here. Now address, so you can write on the detailed address or the basic address only. So yeah, that's, here we go, done. Now I will go to the employee info. So in the employee info, here you can see the departments and designation names and all that things. So here I am selecting okay, so I'm accounting department, and now the designation is accounting manager, for an example, and role is supervisor. Okay, so now the bank name, I'm gonna set PNC Bank, and the account number, you can set the account number, the exact account number. So now I'm gonna select New York here. Now the company joining date is mandatory. So if we click here, now suppose he has joined in 2022. Now we'll choose the month, and is June 1st June 2022 is the joining date. Now his attendance card ID. So I've given an example here. Employee status is active, and here are the example descriptions. So for an example, I can write his name, Clinton. Okay, so here you can write the detailed description also. I'm just giving a demo, so that's why I have written this. So after completing the left side infos, and I will click here in the create button to create successfully. So this site is complete. Now you can add an image of the employee. This is not a mandatory option, but you can add image if you want. You can select an image and just update that on this. So choose file. First of all, you need to go to choose the file, got to be, then you just put it in here and update. So it's not mandatory. Now we'll select the user credentials, which is very important because it is the employee ID. From this ID, this employee will be able to get access of this software, and according to his role only. So here is the username is basically his Gmail ID, and password, here you can say it password. I am typing 123 12312. Okay, so that's it. And data access type, you can if you say it on here, so if you say it select on from here, then this employee will get the access of the whole software, which you obviously will never want. So I am giving as role, which means you will get the access only as much as his employee ID permits, so not more than that. So yeah, now we will update this and it will be updated successfully. And now we will click on this salary info. So salary will be monthly, and the amount is suppose $500. And now additional and deductional charges could be added. If you click on this add button, then there will be options, and now I will not add anything. So now I will click on the create button and it will be created. So your employee is created already. If you see, successfully updated. Now if I click on this, here you can see Mr. William Clinton, his department, designation, gender, phone number, email ID, and everything is here. You can view from this icon, you can edit from this, and you can delete this also. So let's view this. So as you can see, here is the basic info and all the infos that we have implemented so far. So all are here. So the employee ID is created, and that's how you can create the employee ID from here and enlist the employee. Thank you.